Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to share with you my plans for 2024. I have quite a few projects that I need to finish, starting with December Daily 2022. I want to finish this album. I have to order two 6x8 albums from scrapbook.com, so I can divide this year into two albums because this is what I have so far, and I'm only on day 17, so I still have 7 more days of photos, and this is so thick, it's so chunky, which usually my albums, if I was done with the album and it was like this, I probably would be fine with it. But since I have some spreads that I have to finish, and a few of them have a lot of photos, I'm gonna have to get two 6x8 albums from scrapbook.com, and hopefully that works. So I'm gonna put all of my efforts in this so I can get it out of the way. And since I'm in the December daily sort of mojo, I'm in this mood, I want to get it done so I can be done with this. And after this, I am going to finish Project Life 2020. And I know I'm always behind. I'm slow, and then I don't work on my albums as often because I was in the Tumble Creator crew. I don't really scrapbook for them. I do other crafts. So those are hours that I don't work on my own memory keeping. And then I was last year in the Citrus Twist Kids design team, and that also sometimes took away from me finishing a project. So I only have 3 layouts to finish in this album, so I want to get this done out of the way. So in that order, I'm gonna do December daily and then get this album done, since I only have to do 3 spreads. And something that I'm gonna be working on constantly, weekly, it's my BFF Sticker Club Challenge, and being able to keep with it. It's only once a week. It's very relaxing, it's very fun. I hope I don't fall behind. And today is January 30th, which makes me a little behind to be setting, these expectations, but at the same time, the holiday season was crazy for me, and I'm up to date. Today is Tuesday, so as I'm filming this, I'm hoping to post this either today or tomorrow. So tomorrow there's a new challenge, and I'm gonna do that. I also want to finish mini very mini album from Everyday Explorers. This is 4x6, and it's to document a trip to the National Aquarium. And I love how this is turning out. I do have to finish. I'm trying to keep it as simple as I can. I do regret using such a small format. I wish that I would have gone for the what's the size, 4x8 album from Citrus Twist Kids, the live crafted albums. And this is the actual National Aquarium album, and in here I just have the pages in the order they have to go inside the book. So I feel like it's too late now to turn back and do the live crafted album, but lesson learned. In whatever fits in here, it's what's gonna happen. I'm not even halfway through yet. These get quite chunky, and this, I believe I got it from Target. This is where I'm keeping all my items. I have a bunch of stamps here. that I thought were perfect. And then I have items from Everyday Explorer that I thought would work for this album. I have die cuts, card, stickers. So I'm trying to keep this kit very simple so I can just finish it. Oh, I forgot that I had these stickers here. But yeah. I'm gonna put these to the side in case I need them for my PFF sticker challenge. And I'm gonna show you a few items that I use to organize my projects. So this is one. I love it because then I can just put it in my Calyx and it'll be just waiting for me. Let me see. Then I want to work, and I think that this is going to be in the second half of the year. I'm gonna do a few layouts here and there, and then around October, because this has a few Halloween related photos, I'm really gonna like be in the mood to scrap with everyone. Let's see, it has pumpkin photos because this strip was oh, it's not here. Let me see. It was in October of 2022. So I'm gonna get that done. Luckily, this is not as labor intensive as December Daily or Project Life. I did use a 9x12 album, but that's because I wanted to add more of these. But the reality is that there's how many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 spreads that I have to do. And there's only one. There's one done ahead, so that's why I said 12. Yeah. So for this, I might use, this is another, and this album is from Scrapbook.com. Their albums are really good. And I have this. This is my stash for this project. Is very Halloween, extremely Halloweeny, and I have items from Citrus Twist Kits. I have this one from Scrapbook.com, and it's very bright. And I have other items, and I also might use the Studio Calico kits. This one is the Halloween kit from last year, and the colors are like a little bit, they're not as bright as the Scrapbook.com paper pack, so it might be perfect to be Halloweeny but also earthy enough for a zoo trip and bright enough for the Legoland portion of that album. So I went to the Philadelphia Zoo and I went to Legoland. So I just have everything Halloweeny related in here. Okay, no, this was in the front, and I love this. I got it from Target a while back, and I regret not buying like 5, because I think it was like $5. I think it was in their dollar section. Sometimes stuff it's there and then it disappears. And I have this near the aquarium kit, and these are Studio Calico documentary kits that I thought would be perfect, the colors, to document that trip. So if I'm not feeling something in the little basket, for the small layouts, then I can just grab one of these kits. And let's see, and then my project for June and July, it's going to be to do December daily 2023. And here I have a bunch of items and ephemera. I have not printed the photos. I have them ready to print. I do have this album from Ali Edwards. I think that some of the page sizes are a little bit strange, like these square photos. I don't know. I'm gonna do that. I am gonna use some of my regular 12 by 12 pages, and then I'll just cut one of the bottom strips. I can fold it. I can use a 9 by 12 page protector and cut off the bottom. Yeah, because this is 10, so yeah, that still works. And then I have bigger page protectors. Then I have this one divided in the middle, and I can honestly turn them into 3 by 4s. And of course I will have to leave like an inch, or I can cut it off. I'll decide it when I'm working with that. And then of course I have the Project Life albums that go after 2020. I know that 2021 still has like 15 layouts that I should be doing. My approach for this year is going to be to do it monthly, and I'm gonna keep my photos as few as I can make them. So that's gonna depend on the things we celebrate that month. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna be uploading December daily videos, and I did post it as Stick With Me process video. Let me know if you're interested in that. Otherwise I don't have to post it, because another thing is that uploading these videos take time. I am tempted to do a reading journal with Traveler's Notebook from Studio Calico. I have a few of those, but I'm gonna wait until the end of February. If by the end of February I am done with December Daily and with Project Life 2020, and I'm making good progress with 2021, I might work on that. I also have an album that I started last year, and it's for costumes for my kids throughout all the years, but that's going to be an ongoing process. That's not in my main goals this year. If I get to work on it, especially during the month of October, where there's a lot of October daily creative flow, you just get this surge of inspiration from the whole community, and you just want to work on these projects because it's like a community effort. You vibe with all these amazing people creating their beautiful projects, and you get in the mood, and you see products, and there's pumpkins everywhere, so it is very inspirational. So those are my plans in the order. December Daily, Project Life, this is gonna be an ongoing thing. The aquarium mini album, then printing photos and getting them into the album, and also while at work on this travel / Halloween album. So let me know what is the thing that you're looking forward to the most. I'm gonna try to do at least, once I'm done with December Daily, at least 2 or 3 Project Life spreads, so I can get the ball rolling on that. Let me know, what are your plans? I know that I'm a little late. It's almost February, but again, holidays, family was here. It was a lot, kind of slowed me a bit. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!